Hi teachers, last week we shared this video showing multiple representations for multiplication facts. Today I'm going to show you how we can take this share code and use it as a teaching tool or an independent workstation for your students. To access this activity, simply enter this 8-digit code into the Brainingcamp homepage, then click Go. You'll see the blank number inputs at the top of the screen, so you can enter any multiplication fact of your choice. I'm choosing 4 times 8. Next, we'll use the color tiles to show 4 groups of 8. I'm going to copy each group to speed things up. Creating a visual model can help your students determine the product. Click on the array frame. Adjust the array to show 4 rows and 8 columns. You can also turn on the labels. Select the color tiles used for the equal groups. Click Copy. Drag the copied group to the array frame. You will see the color tiles autofill the array. Double-click on the word type to enter the repeated addition. Refer back to the equal group section to show students that we are adding 8 4 times. The hops are found in the shapes bin. Adjust the width of the hop to show 8. You can also change the color and the label. Copy the hop 3 more times to show your 4 groups. If students are doing this as a workstation, they have several options for saving their work. They can create a share code, download an image of their workspace, or copy an image. If students copy the image, they can create their own digital collection of multiplication facts. Here you can see I changed the font colors and customized the number line for a smaller fact and a much larger fact. I hope you're able to use this share code to help your students conceptually understand multiplication. Have a great school year, and thank you teachers for everything you do.